What's the meaning of conclusive? Conclusive. Conclusive.
Conclusive. Conclusive. The term conclusive refers to a judgment or outcome that is certain and decisive. It means that there is no doubt or ambiguity regarding the conclusion obtained from the available evidence or arguments. A conclusive result is one that has been reached after a thorough analysis of all the relevant data, and it cannot be disputed or contradicted. Additionally, conclusive findings are often considered final and are used to make important decisions or judgments. In summary, conclusive results are those which leave no room for doubt or uncertainty.